From BSED English 1B, and today I will discuss the thematic roles definition, examples, and its significance. So thematic roles was also known as semantic roles, or a function of the arguments of a verb, or the arguments here is the NP and to a predicate VP. So it is commonly the sentence's main verb. Thematic roles is important especially in the field of language acquisition, or more generally for the process of understanding, because thematic roles are phenomenon trying to explain the more specific relation between our VP or a predicate and its respective NP or our arguments. There are lots of examples of thematic roles, but only one needs to be discussed. One of the examples of thematic roles is agent. So agent are entity that intentionally carries out the verb. So it is the animate initiator, causer, doer, or instigator of an action. Consider the following examples. Jack kissed Jill. So Jack was our agent. Jack is our noun phrase, and the function of the noun phrase here, or the function of arguments here was becoming an agent. So agent because Jack was the doer or the instigator of an action kissed. So here it is. And we can also renew the sentence but with the same thought. Jill was kissed by Jack. So our noun phrase here was by Jack. By Jack. So Jack was an agent here. The function of the noun phrase here was agent. That would be all, and thank you and God bless.